Northern versus Wild, and today we're going to be surviving in the bush, and this is all we're taking with us. We've got sleeping bags, we got a shelter and some tools and some boots, obviously the basic stuff, but yeah, it's the first time I'm camping out by my solo self, and we're going to see how it goes. It is raining currently, so it's going to be a bit of a challenge, and it is very cold, but we're going to do it anyway. So stay tuned, and I'll be taking you along for the ride. Ready to go. Let's get out of here. Second out to the car for the night car. Hopefully it's there when I come back. It's always got a challenge really knowing where you can really set up camps in the UK as council, and there's a big law about it, and well, I don't know, it's just hard because you don't really want to get seen too much, and a lot of places around here are either trust sent places like National Trust or someone's land, or really like a dog walk area. So, you know, almost there now. I just realised I could have parked the car so much closer, but oh well, it'll do. The only problem I've got facing really is that it's going to be very hard to make a fire, I'll tell you that much, because everything's wet. Everything's wet wood really. Up there, best place to camp I think around here. Well, I've worked out anyway. And also there's a lot of sticks here. Just like, look at this. Sticks there. I can cut all this wood up if need be. Wood and kindling. Just get up this mound and put the bag down. Here you go guys. Great setup already. Someone's already been here. Not a problem. Oh, that's nice. Get that weight off. Right. So we already got a little base going here, which would be nice. Just that's good. Start setting up in here. Get a little fire going. That could do a little fire there, because I think I might go. Oh, I'll play around with it. I'll see where it's best. Also got quite a lot of new stuff. Got this head torch which I'm going to be reviewing, and it's got this night core one. So pretty good. It's pretty bright. I've already used it on a run, and it lasted quite well. It was like, I reckon the battery life on this is like 2 hours, so I think that should be alright for us. And then I got this new axe as well, which looks pretty good. I'll be trying that out, and the shovel, which I recently just purchased. And it's quite a small one, but it'll do the job to move all this soil and that, so I can get down to the dry stuff. So that's why I brought those as well. Make sure you keep all your stuff, like the stuff you sleep in, off the ground as well, guys. It's very good to know that, because it just gets even wetter. And So that is good for the tent to be put on that. Now, it's not the best for level, but it is soft. Like this. It's naturally pretty much a bed. Like this is so soft. And it's not too wet either. So yeah, it's pretty dry. But I think I'm gonna get some firewood now because I want to dry it out a little bit. So yeah, let's do that now. Right, now I've got my wood in the pit. Let's get the firewood starting. Right. So figure out where you want to put it. I kind of want it there, to be honest. If I put it there or there, so I'm gonna have it. This is where I'm gonna stay. And I want my door facing probably that way. So if I put it there. Got that down just nice. That's good to get out of the way. But the reason why I took some of this off because this is great kindling and it's easier when it was elevated like that. So yeah, that's the reason why I did that. Right, let's get to fire building. This, put it on there, it's full of it, there's so much oil in it, just burn that. It's always best to let yourself have more time to set up camp than less. Like today I've got it way too early, but it's alright because it allows me to do the stuff I want to do and concentrate on filming more. So yeah, I'll cut this up and get that on the fire. Then it should be good enough to put some damn stuff on there. Dry stuff, very dry. Obviously, I mean the middle stuff's very dry. So this stuff, if you put this on there, brilliant. Perfect fire. That was pretty good. So just stack them up around like that, they dry out a little bit. So, obviously the driest wood is on the trees, so we can get any of these low bits. That'd be good. Which I'll do now actually. I had a massive meal before I came out, and I'm already starving. Makes you really hungry doing this. Been busy all the time. But it's nice because I get to sit here next to the fire, eat my peanuts. My warm peanuts. All that wood as well. Good. So I moved all the sticks from there onto the fire now, because they're all quite wet, and now the fire's quite established. You can dry them out, and this will just be a fire soon. So yeah, just get a bigger fire going, as it's going to get dark soonish. It's already 3 o'clock, so yeah, it dry them out pretty quick anyway. Hotter now, like that's very hot. That's good enough now to put anything you really want on there. Wet wood, dry wood, doesn't matter. It's good enough. But yeah, that's successfully done. And put it through the other one, obviously. I've done this bit first and the inside after. That's the first bit done. Next to the fire is at a little angle, but I'll sort this out later. I'll certainly put this over the top, make it waterproof. But yeah, and I'll sort out the inner bit in a sec. That's the progress of that. Alright guys, tent is now done. Check it. Pretty good. Nice little spacious 2-man tent. I probably don't need it that big, but yeah. Right, with this you kept them all all the way up and to the middle bit with that. Yeah, should be good for tonight. Probably might move it. But that's now up, which is good. Gonna put my sleeping bag and that in there. Tarp or something you're laying on, not directly to the ground. Then you should be good. Insulate yourself from the ground, otherwise you're going to just lose all your body heat to the ground. But yeah, sort this fire out, it's going a bit mental. Alright, let's do that now. Let's rot on wood. Oh, that's so wet. Right, let's get a little bit more. What's worked for me with this fire is you get big logs, put them straight on there, don't leave them to the side, put them straight on there because they'll dry out. Just put them straight on there, they dry out pretty quick, and yeah, it keeps it going good. That's what I'm doing, and it's worked like a charm. But I think that's enough wood for now. But because like all the woods around here is quite like sparse. It's like all over there, all the stuff which is broken. I don't really want to cut down too much stuff. That was effort as well. So, but get some dinner on soon. It's quite hot though at the minute without a fire. Probably setting the stump on fire now. That's the amount you really need to keep yourself warm, especially this time of year. But guys, it's getting really dark really quick now. Got a little bit more wood on that, but yeah, it's proper just got really dark, and it's like 10 past 5. It's literally the time that proper getting dark now. Proper, mate. Yeah, but it'll be alright. Like this first, it's just all the dark, and then it should be good. I've got a nice little setup, this perfect setup, like can't even lie. Brilliant bit of fire, brilliant blooming tent going. Nice. Really pretty snug in here, as long as everything goes to plan. No one tries to jump out at us or anything. If a bit of wood is stupidly heavy, it's a good indication that it's just filled with water. But that's the camp. You can't really see it, to be honest at all. Especially when you come down here. Really, it's pretty well hidden. as I wanted it to be. It's a pretty nice setup though. That should go for a little while. I've got an emergency bit of wood anyway if I need it. Yeah, that should definitely do for a while. Right, so what I can do for food then. That's going to take a little bit of time. Oh, I might have a bit of bread first, a bit of toast. Yeah, that's what I might have first. Toast. A little bit of butter. Honestly, don't know what that was. I think it might be a fox, to be honest. I hope it was a fox. But I mean, they're quite, they've been known to attack some people. Hopefully not, but, well, I may got attacked by one, but should be good. Check this out. But there, should be good. Can't see anything. This fire just makes you see. So you can all you can see is fire. That's it. Yeah. Should be alright. Oh, that's hot. Leave it there. There's a lot of wildlife here, really. There's like, I mean, there's a lot of deer, I remember that. But the problem with tents is that you feel safe. There's a bit of false security, really. You feel safe in a tent and cozy, but it's really thin. Like, there's nothing really keeping you safe at all. So, yeah, I don't really like that side of it. I have a bit of ham, peak ham. I don't really eat this much, but thought to bring it out with me here. So I thought it might be quite a filler. Oh, that's my lovely looking dinner. I'll roast this up, see how it tastes. It's ham, by the way. Looks pretty shit, but I'll give it a go. It's actually quite nice, to be fair. Just a little taste test. I'm pretty sure I'm looking for that. But yeah, it's quite nice. So I'll have that for dinner and then chill out for a bit and then probably bed. Oh, rain's starting. Hope not. But this should see me through the morning. This fire. No problem. There you go, that's dinner. Really lovely that. Don't look like a lot, but be alright. Oh, it's starting raining. Just eat this quick. Crispy. Alright guys, that was dinner. Finished. Just like that. Oh, that should be good. I might get into bed, to be honest. No point just messing around. Oh, it's nice to sit down for a bit. My legs are tired. Did 6 mile run and all this. I'm knackered now. My legs my shins feel like, don't know, I just feel dead. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna chill out for a bit, guys. So I'll catch you in a bit. Alright guys, I'm knackered. Just close the door up. Yeah, head in for the night. Just knackered, so yeah, it's pretty late. So good night guys, I'll see you in the morning. Morning guys. So I just woken up. It's 6 o'clock now, but still another hour until sunrise. But make a little fire, which will take in a sec, but yeah, I was just getting too cold and I decided I need to get a fire going, and it didn't take that long, so it's alright. It was just a little bit damp, but it was right. It dried out in here, like the coals were really warm, so it shouldn't have a problem warming up quickly. So yeah, that'd be nice to warm up with, and then we'll get out of here soon. It makes a massive difference having a fire, guys. Honestly, like not having a fire, it's freezing. But then it does give your position away if trying to be stealth. Alright, that should be done. Look quite done. Good, it's brilliant. Let's get involved. Put my sleeping bag away and getting ready to tear down. It's got a lot lighter. Like, you don't actually need a head torch anymore, which is like what I wanted for it to be able to turn down. Otherwise, it'd be a nightmare. Yeah, it's a pretty dull old day. It looks well misty out there. But overall, it's been a good camp. It's been good. I've enjoyed it. It's always nice when you get a fire going as well. But, yeah, I'm gonna start putting my sleeping bag away and get ready to go. Just put my baby bag in with it because I think I free up another bag, and if I can get it in there, it'll stop me from losing it before you do tear down the whole camp, which means the fire as well. So just get yourself a little water bottle or something. I'll put most of it out. Everything's wet around here, so it's not going to catch fire. Don't do this sort of thing when it's summer. It's probably best to leave it there and just stack a load of mud and shit on it. Ready to go now. That's what it should look like. Don't look like anyone's been here really. Let's go. Survived guys. So yeah, but that is the end of the video here now. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't done already, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one guys. Have a good one.